Hello children, today we are going to start with a very interesting craft. It's called shells craft. Shells, we call it chilke also. So we use groundnut shells and pista shells. So since this is a winter season and we all are enjoying so much these days these groundnuts, so why not to use these groundnut shells for making a wonderful craft? Okay, so let's start. As I have mentioned in your material list, we need a black paste sheet and a cardboard in the size of the paste sheet only. So first of all, the Fevicol and the shells. Children, what you will do, you will just take out the full size shells like this. Don't take the broken ones. When you will eat those groundnuts, just take out these kind of full size shells and gather it neatly and nicely in a bowl, and then we can use it for our crafting. So how we will start? First we will paste our black sheet onto the cardboard using either the Fevistick or the Fevicol you can use. Here I am using Fevistick. It's absolutely your choice. If you have Fevistick, you can use Fevistick. If you have Fevicol, while pasting this sheet onto the cardboard, if we use the Fevistick, it is the better option. It doesn't leave the glue marks on the paper because we need the paper with the neater look. So I have put lots of Fevistick here and we will fix our sheet this way nicely. Yes. Just press it nicely. My cardboard is little bigger from one side, so I will get it done with a neater look. Just trim it out. Press it again. I have told you that we will be making hanging out of this, so I'm using a small piece of ribbon also to fix it. Put your ribbon neatly and nicely like this. And the same piece of cardboard you can take to fix on this pieces of cardboard, ribbon. Just press it nicely. Make sure it comes in the center. You can put a mark with the scale also. Just press it nicely. Why we are fixing this ribbon now? Because after putting all the shell work here, it will be difficult to fix this ribbon here, so that's why we are doing this in the beginning only. Now our base is ready. Our ribbon is not exactly in the center, so we will shift it. Since I have not put the scale mark, I have just taken the idea. So it's like this. Yes, now it's in the center. Now you will take Fevicol. We'll start with the borders. This is a regular Fevicol only. Don't think that ma'am is using some special kind of Fevicol. This is a regular Fevicol. You can use any Fevicol, whichever you have. Just put it like this. All around, and then you will take one shell and start pasting it this way. Make sure all your shells should be of full size, like full length, और ये जो इसका मुंह है, it should be on one same side, facing same side. If you are getting it the other way, you can start pasting it on the other side also. Because these shells are in the pair, बंद होता है when we'll open it, so both ways we will get it. Sizes can vary, but it should be in the full length. Don't take the small pieces. If it is shorter hair we need to cut it half and fix the line, so we will cut it with the scissor. If we'll break simply with the hand, it will not give the neater look, so you need to cut it with the scissor. Make sure the way you are putting it, it should be very neatly, you should do it. As I always tells you that do less but do nicely. जल्दी जल्दी और गंदा नहीं करना होता. Doing less is never a problem, but doing dirty is not good. It is very interesting. Now here either you can overlap it, or as I have told you earlier, that whenever you need to complete the line, you need to trim your shell with the scissor. Breaking with the hand will give very untidy look. Now you can press it all these. Now we are done with a beautiful border, as you all can see. Now I have few shells colored also. So for that, first of all, we need to, I am making flowers with this. So first I am going to draw simple circle just to mark the positions. And here roughly I am putting the mark for the stems. I am making flowers with this. I have this copper brown color with me, so I'll just finish it up like this, making the stem. Small you can make. I have already painted this few shells into different colors for making flowers. For one flower we need 5 shells, and I have made this small ball just to put it in the center of the flower. How I made this is a silver foil, piece of silver foil, and just roll it simply, softly, and make a nice ball. This will be the center of our flower. So how we will fix it, like where we have put the mark, just put a nice Fevicol, put your stem like this, 1, 2, 3, these 5 petals will fix like this. I have few green shells also, just to mark the leaves. Make sure where you are putting the Fevicol, your shell edges should touch that Fevicol. Or one thing more you can do, if you want to do it more nicely, you can put your Fevicol like this and then you can fix. Both ways you can do. So this way we will complete our all color flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I have this yellow color. For this we will be putting Fevicol like this on the edges and fix it this way. You can color these shells in any color of your choice. I have used these colors. You can use your own choice. This all Fevicol, whatever you are seeing is extra, it will get dry, no issues for it. But be careful that extra Fevicol you should not put. It should come only on the edges. Third color, I have used a beautiful peacock blue color. this way our shells craft is ready. All of you try it and enjoy today's craft. Happy crafting!